know if this gonna make you smile, but it sure did for me.
Do you want mommy to comb your hair?
Yeah.
Why?
Mommy comb my hair. Mommy go to sleep.
Really?
Yeah.
You want to go to sleep after I comb your hair?
No. Comb my hair. Comb my eyes. Take the bath. Eyes.
You want to wash your hair then?
Here, wash my hair. I take a bath.
No, today we are just moisturizing your hair because we washed your hair 3 days ago.
What did you say?
I said I washed your hair 3 days ago, so we are just going to moisturize your hair today. Will you like that?
Well, I want to take a bath outside. I want to comb my hair.
Okay, we'll try to see what to do.
Okay. Wash my hair.
Hi family, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you lovely people how I re-moisturize my girl's hair in between wash day. I'm using my fenugreek seed and my hibiscus tea solution. I show you guys how to make it in my wash day routine, so I will leave that video for you. And then I got my Secrets Growth Oil. This oil composed of 21 natural ingredients and it takes me 3 weeks for infusion. And then I have my aloe vera butter. I also have a video on how I made my aloe vera butter. I washed Aurora hair 3 days ago and I left it in a wash and go state. And this is what it turned out to. Both of my girls' hair tangles up a lot, so that is why I love to keep it in braids or twists just to make life easy on me. So after applying the leave-in treatment on her hair, I'm now just gonna go in with some of the Secrets Growth Oil. Not forgetting the ends of her hair, as our ends is the oldest part of our hair, so we also need to give it extra attention and extra love. And I'm also thinking of giving her a trim because I haven't trimmed her hair before, just to get some of those dull ends out. And then I'm also just going to apply the oil on her scalp and then give her a little bit of scalp massage. Massaging your scalp is very important because that leads to blood circulation into your hair follicles and your scalp, which will encourage healthy hair growth. Do you guys see how Aurora is behaving herself and sitting down so good for me to do her hair? Because this little girl asks me every day now to get her hair done. In the morning when she wake up, she asks me to get her hair done. And this is very good. So I do not have any problem to do her hair. That means she also gonna have very long hair like her sister. Because since she wants long hair, I'm gonna take my time and also make up DIY treatment for her for me to also start using on her hair. So I decided to put her hair in 3 big twists, so that is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to add the aloe vera butter to her hair and then I will finger to tangle. So while doing that, let me tell you guys a little secret. Guess what? My husband and I decided to create a family channel, and the channel name is called the Zinchuk Family. I'm so excited about it. So, can you please head over and subscribe, and do not forget to also hit the bell notification. I know this is going to be a hit, and this is going to be great because this is a hair channel, so it's not much that I can do on this channel because of the YouTube algorithm. Once you have your niche, you have to stick to that. And we are a interracial couple, a mixed couple, an African and a Caucasian couple, and we raising our kids. We also have some fallback in life. My husband is not perfect. I am not perfect. My kids are not perfect. As a Christian, the only person who is perfect is our most high. So we're just gonna show you guys our daily life, what goes on in our home. I'm also gonna do a little bit of business, like where I started in my business, where my business is, how successful I am, and the next step that we are taking our business to, and just family vlogs for you guys to see real life family vlogs, also see behind the scene how things are done. My husband struggled to be a great husband. I struggled to be a great wife because what? We are humans. We are not perfect. So those are the videos that you guys will see on our family channel. So I will appreciate it if you can head over and subscribe to the Zinchuk family, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be epic. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be loving, and we are so excited about it. And I also just want to tell you guys thank you so much for all the love and support you guys are showing to my channel. We are gonna hit 100K before the end of the year. I think before this video goes up, we kind of be at 95K, because personally when I'm recording this video, we at 94K and 900,000. So this is Aurora hair. I'm done with her hair and it's looking beautiful, very moisturized. I'm now gonna go and do Sonia hair.
Bye.
This is how Sonia hair is looking after I wash her hair, moisturize it, and put it in braids 3 days ago. This girl sleeps very rough. Her hair is looking as if to say I haven't done anything to it for months. So I just took those braids down. I'm now gonna re-moisturize it. First of all, I'm gonna apply the sprays to her hair because I don't love to work on her hair when it's very dry because it's just gonna break off. And then I'm going to apply some of the S Secrets Growth Oil to it. This oil composed of both moisturizing and sealing oils, so it also helps with sleep and with different herbs which is infused in it for over 3 weeks. And then I'm also going to apply some to the ends. So this is how I part her hair. I just gonna throw it into 3 big braids. To moisturize her hair, I'm first just going to spray the treatment also on her scalp in smaller sections. And then I will go in with the growth oil in smaller sections. Give her a good scalp massage. Apply the aloe vera butter and then put it in braids. I'm just going to repeat the same all over her hair. I know I have been rambling for a bit, so I'm just going to allow you guys to watch while I play some music. And I will see you at the end of the video.